Question 8 says write the explicit equation for the sequence 324, 108, 36, 12. I can tell the gaps in those are they're varying too much for this to be arithmetic. So if it's a sequence we can deal with, it's going to be geometric. So let me take, for example, 12 and just divide that by 36. And when I do, I get I this is crazy because this is too similar to a previous question that we had. So I get a third here. So it looks like every single time that I move forward, I'm dividing by 3 or multiplying by 1/3. So 324 divided by 3 uh, divided by 3, 36 divided by 3. So I'm going to verify it. I should check that out because what if it's not? I think it is, though. 324 divided by 3 is definitely 108, divided by 3 is definitely 36, divided by 3 is definitely 12. And I don't like, showing this as multiplication or division by 1/3, so I would choose to write this as multiplying by 1/3 each time. So as we move forward, we're multiplying by 3 in the sequence. Now, in order to write the explicit equation, I'm going to need to know what my 0th term is. So this is 324 is the first term, but the term that would precede that, if the 0th term, I'm going to get by just taking 324 and I'll just multiply that by 3 and I get 972. So my sequence should be, I guess I'll use A of n equals 972. Every single time I move forward, I'm multiplying by 1/3. And how many times I multiply by 1/3 depends on the sequence number I want. So again, repeated multiplication, multiplying by 1/3 again and again and again, is shown with exponentiation. So this is exactly the function that I want. Now I've shown you how to try each one of these individually. Another thing that I can do is I can look at the table function. So if I go into modify one of these equations, I'll just clear these two, and I'm just going to say, look, I'm going to take the 972 and then I'll multiply that times 1/3. Oh, that's great. 1/3. Oh, forgot to put my parentheses again. I gotta remember those. Whoops. And then that's going to be raised to the power of, here I'm going to use x, right, because I'm writing y equals. So y1 will equal this where x is my variable. Now, on table, I think my table is set up so that it automatically shows these. So if I hit table, that's cute. Let me go up to the very top. Oh, look at it. It treats them like fractions for quite a while. So you can see my first term in the sequence is 324, correct? Next one's 108, next one's 36, next one's 12. One after that would be 4, and then it's just, it's dividing by 3. It's putting a factor of 3 in the denominator, so it would go to 4/3, and then 4/9, and then 4/27, and then they flipped it to decimals at that point. I think it would be 4/81. So this is the explicit equation that describes this geometric sequence. It has a 0th term of 729, and it's generated by repeatedly multiplying by the number 1/3, and that's it.